Hey, how's it going? And today I just wanted to do a quick video about why I think the colon equals operator is problematic and not good for beginners, especially for beginners. So in a sense, this colon equals operator is advanced and it assumes, it infers what the type is. So as a beginner, when you see this, it's just easy to pop this in there, but then it kind of hides an understanding of what you're actually doing. And I don't think that's helpful for beginners. So I noticed in a lot of the verse documentation they use this colon equals operator. I've called it many things. It's a scope and binding operator, it's an inference operator, it's a walrus operator. But essentially what it does is it initializes a variable of some sort and it assumes the type, it infers the type. So here's a perfect example of what I'm talking about. If you're looking at this top line of code here, and let's say you're a beginner, and I just see this and go, okay, this is getting the player and getting the play space, and it's putting it into all players. Well, that's very superficial understanding of what's happening. What exactly is all players? Well, we would know what it was. We'd know exactly what it was if it weren't for this, the colon equals operator. What is it? Well, you might be tempted to think, well, it's a player type, right? It's a player. Nope, it's not a player. Look, it's causing errors. It's not a player type. It is to a certain extent, but it's not. That's not all that it is. Oh, well, maybe it's an agent. Maybe it's an agent type. No, it's not that either. What is it? What is get players doing? What is the play space? What's going on here? As a beginner, it's really, really confusing. Well, really what this does, it gets an array of the players in the play space. So what all players is array, is brackets, right? Of the player type, right? That's what it is. But do you see how putting in what it is and not using the colon equals operator aids in the person's understanding in the beginning? Because now you can see, oh, I see. This is an array of the player type. That's what all players is. But it's not clear when you put that in there half the time. So for beginning coding, I think it actually would be helpful to not use the colon equals operator so that people understand what's happening. And then when you're more advanced and you get it, then you can use it. It shortchanges the understanding of what's going on. That's just my opinion. So anyway, take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.